After 30 years in the industry, this is the topic I love because it captures how you select the best fund for you. So Dave, how can I know which fund is right for me?
Good question, because there's so many out there.
Isn't there? Oh, heaps.
You got one that's got high fees and promise high returns, and you got others that are low fees and offer high returns. Obviously, you want to keep your fees down.
Yeah, that's right, because that's the one that erodes the capital, isn't it? Hey, have you done the Barbie test?
What's that?
Oh, well, you go to the Barbie and the guy's bragging about the returns of his super fund. You say, well, look, I got what the market delivered, and that's really what you want.
Well, interestingly, you say that, because research says that in the last year, 93% of the people that have tried to outperform the market have failed.
So
means
it's like the whole market.
It's like you're paying a premium to outperform the market, and you're not getting that extra service.
Actually, I saw that article. In fact, they said over the last 5 years, 80% of the funds have underperformed as well.
So you can see the importance of picking the fund that's right for you.
Yeah, exactly. And so there's a website called CanStar where you can go online and be able to see what fees are being charged to super funds. That gives you a leg up to see what it's like from that perspective.
A lot of our clients actually have defined benefits.
Tell me, with the defined benefit schemes, can they put any more money into super, or is that it?
Yeah, it's a good question, because a lot of people aren't aware that you can actually top up your super within a defined benefit. So a lot of the defined benefits allow you to make extra contributions, but then they have a ceiling. And that may be less than the maximum that you're allowed to put into super. And therefore, what we recommend to clients there is to start a top-up super fund, where at retirement it may mean that they may have $300,000 or $400,000 more than what they would have had otherwise.
Wow, makes a big difference. It's like the cream on the cake, really, isn't it?
It gives you that options to be able to do the things that perhaps you wouldn't have been able to do.
Yeah, exactly, and that's all part of selecting the right retirement fund for you, really, isn't it? Or funds, might be two funds, because that gives them those extras. When they retire, they can take that holiday, or they can buy that car. It's the extra things.
Well, I've enjoyed talking today about picking the right fund.
Me too.
And it kind of leads into next week's topic about growing your superannuation.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. That's what I love.